GrandGate presents a modern financial education environment built around clarity, structured learning, and deeper market understanding. The brand focuses on helping users explore financial concepts through organized educational materials and accessible explanations. Instead of presenting finance as a collection of difficult terms, GrandGate connects individual subjects with the wider economic and market environment. Financial education can include market structure, global economic relationships, financial terminology, analytical principles, and risk awareness. GrandGate brings these topics together within one connected learning framework. The company emphasizes gradual development. Basic concepts create the foundation, while broader subjects add context and help users understand how different areas of finance relate to one another. GrandGate also reflects a practical educational direction. Financial knowledge becomes more useful when concepts are presented clearly and supported by relevant market context. The brand combines accessible explanations with professional structure, creating a balanced environment for beginners and users who want to continue developing their financial awareness. GrandGate represents a modern approach to financial learning where clarity, consistency, and structured knowledge remain central.